The intelligent charger, guys. Charging made easy. 2.7-inch large LED display, AI charge maintainer, battery voltage display, restore your batteries, a 3-year warranty with 5 safety protections. But as you can see, like I already knew, this battery has a dead cell in it. So it's letting me know before you can force charge, you can put it in repair mode. As you can see, it's definitely repairing. What's going on, guys? Time 2 will signing back on another one. Right here we have the Hulkman Sigma 1 battery charger. Guys, with the weather changing, winter, old man winter is definitely coming. I decided to pick up another battery charger because I do have 2 bikes and I keep my bikes in 2 different locations. So I need a charger for both bikes. So I decided to pick up this Hulkman Sigma 1. This is a very nice charger. It definitely showing a lot of potential, guys. This is an AI charge maintainer. It has a 2.7-inch large LED display, so it does display the actual readout of how many volts are actually in the device that you're actually charging. It can intelligently charge lead acid and lithium batteries. It also can automatically run battery maintenance with low risk of overcharging. This thing is compatible with lead acid, AGM, lithium wet gel, maintenance free, EFB, and calcium batteries for motorcycles, passenger cars, SUVs, trucks, ATVs, PWCs, boats, and etc. The intelligent charger, guys. Charging made easy. 2.7-inch large LED display, AI charge maintainer, battery voltage display, restore your batteries, a 3-year warranty with 5 safety protections. Let's go ahead and bust this box open. Let's get it. All right, this is what you get in the box. You do get this right here. You can connect it directly to your battery and then connect this to your charger, or you can use the gator clips and it does have this nice dust cover. But here's the starter show. The Sigma 1 battery maintainer. Let's get this thing plugged up. Let's check it out, guys. Alright, so I got the charger plugged up. And it's set for lithium right now, as you can see. But you can change it. $12 volts, 12 AMG, 12 lithium, 6 plain, just plain 6 volts, 6 AMG, this one right here, it'll just search for it on its own. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it right here. We're gonna let it search for it on its own. I do know that this is this is a lead acid battery right here that we're working with. It's a lead acid battery, a sealed rechargeable lead acid battery. And the plug is definitely idiot proof. The plug is idiot proof, guys. You can only plug it in one way. All right, so it's saying that the battery only has 9.2 volts inside of it. And as you can see, the charging process has begun. it would not overcharge the battery. It will stop charging on its own. But as you can see, like I already knew, this battery has a dead cell in it. So it's letting me know that the battery does have a dead cell in it. And the alarm is going off. So I need to unplug it. So now I got it in repair mode, 12 volt repair. So let's see if it can repair this battery. Because we just saw that the battery alarm was going off because the battery has dead cells in it. But we'll see if this battery charger can repair it. I seriously doubt it, but we'll find out. We showed how the device would react if we hook it to a device that has a dead cell in it and the alarm went off when you just hook it up and you don't put it in repair mode. So now we have it in repair mode and it's actually repairing the battery. So it's in 12 volt repair. As you can see, it's charging up, guys. As you can see, it's repairing it. It's definitely repairing it. So we're gonna let it go for a couple more hours and we're gonna bring you back for the update. We'll see you how it reacts in the end. Let's get it. As you can see, it's in repair mode and the battery has fully charged, guys. Let's test it out. Let's see how much power we got in this thing. 14.6. 14.6, guys. I'll bring you back shortly once I install the battery back inside the motorcycle. Let's get it.